Welcome back to the Learning the Elements through Illustrator video series. If you are interested in detailed plans, worksheets, and project outlines for this unit, go to digitalartteacher.com to learn more. We know that there are two different types of shapes, organic and geometric. In this video, I'll be covering using the pen tool to create organic shapes, and at the end of the video, I'll give you specific instructions on what you need to have completed before you move on to the next one. So on to organic shapes. These shapes are irregular or they somehow reflect nature. Before we begin, go ahead and type the word organic right below shape on your guide. You can change the font if you want to, but do make it a little bit bigger. 18 looks pretty good. And to make these organic shapes, you can use the pen tool or the curvature tool. Let's review the pen tool first. So here we have our pen tool. You may use the pen tool to make straight lines, or you can curve with them. It would be helpful to make it so that you don't have a fill and you do have a stroke. There you go. The difference between what we're going to be doing in this video and when we were making lines is that when you finish, you're going to click on the first anchor that you created. That is what makes this a shape. And then you don't have to press escape when you finish. And of course, you can use these tools to add, delete, or to adjust any anchors that you have on your page. Let's move on to the curvature tool. This is a new tool with the CC version, and it's pretty cool because when you use it, every line that you make will be curved. So I'm not holding down anything, I'm not dragging, it's just making this nice smooth curve as I click across. If I want to have a straight line, I can hold down Option, and you get that line there to make a straight line all the way across. And again, to finish your line, you just click on the first anchor, and that makes it a shape. Let's talk about a few more editing tools when you're using the pen tool or the curvature tool. Right now, we have the selection tool selected. This tool allows you to move your shapes. It will allow you to resize or distort your shapes, and it will allow you to tilt your shapes. But if you click on this direct selection tool, the white arrow, this one allows you to make edits to a single anchor. So if I click on this anchor, the handles for it will show up. That will allow me to adjust the handles or to move that single anchor. If I hold down Shift while I move the handle, it will keep it at 45 vertical or horizontal. And if I want to move just one handle, I can hold down Option, and you get that plus sign, and you'll move just the one handle. Now, if you're having trouble getting a handle on the pen tool, the curvature tool, or the editing tools, don't worry about it. It will take some practice, but with practice, you can create some really cool things. So what you need to be doing now is create your organic shape. Use either the pen tool or the curvature tool to make some kind of composition or character or object through organic shapes. One handy thing that you might want to know is that you can switch in between the direct selection tool and the pen tool with the shortcut commands. So the shortcut command for the direct selection tool is A, and the shortcut command for the pen tool is P. The shortcut command for the curvature tool is Shift plus quotation mark. And don't forget that you can always press Command Z to undo an action if you didn't like it. As I work, I'm going to speed up the video so that you don't have to watch me do all the work. But you can pause the video at any time to see what I'm doing. I'm just going to press Option and drag on this shape to create more than one little feet. If you like, you can select a fill color for your shape. And if you hold down Shift, you can select more than one shape at a time. And if you like this video and you want more resources, go to digitalartteacher.com to learn more. And I'll catch you in the next video.